In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Notion. Whether you're organizing notes or designing a creative page, tweaking the image size can make a big difference in your layout. So let's dive in and walk through this simple process in just a few steps. First, open Notion and access the page where you have the image you'd like to resize. If you haven't already got a page set up, simply use any of your existing pages with an image or insert a new image into a blank page. This step is straightforward, but make sure you're working on the right page. Next, move your mouse over the image you want to adjust. As you hover, you'll notice that the interface will respond to your action, showing visual cues that indicate the image is ready for editing. When you do this, keep an eye out for a blue border that will appear around the image. This border is your signal that you're in the right place to start resizing. On the right edge of the image, you'll see a small gray handle. It might be subtle, but once you spot it, you're almost there. This handle is the tool you'll use to adjust the size of your image. Clicking on this little gray handle is your next step. Click and hold it, then drag it either to the left to make your image smaller or to the right to enlarge it. As you drag, you'll see the image resizing in real time, allowing you to gauge the perfect size that fits your needs. Take your time with this part. There's no rush. You can play around with the size until you find what feels just right for your page's design and functionality. This is the beauty of using Notion. Everything is dynamic and highly intuitive. Once you're happy with how the image looks, simply let go of the mouse button to set the size. The image will lock into its new proportions, and your change will be saved instantly, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your document's appeal. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully resized an image in Notion. This feature is quite handy for tailoring content to suit your preferences or meet specific visual requirements. Whether you're resizing images for professionalism in a work setting or for aesthetics in a personal project, being able to effortlessly adjust image dimensions is undoubtedly a useful skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Notion pages even more vibrant and organized. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital productivity. Until next time, take care and keep creating.